Hi, it's Lei here from Workstream, and today I want to introduce to you the new online signing feature that we have. If you have used Workstream for signing offer letters or signing other documents before, this may be a familiar interface to you. First, we are at the settings page for a position. You can get to the new online signing stage by adding a new stage, and notice the online signing stage type here. The interface will allow you to add a few different types of documents. Let's talk about the first one, drafting a template. In drafting a template, you can simply type up an offer letter right here in the text editor. You can use some of the predefined merge tags, which Workstream automatically populate when you send out the offer letter to an applicant. In addition, you can also add merge tags such as salary and start date, which will be filled out by the hiring manager prior to the offer letter being sent out. In addition, you can create your own merge tag, such as bonus, with a default value of $1,000, let's say, as a merge tag, and simply add it to the document by clicking on the merge tag here. For example, you can say your salary is this, and your bonus will be. With this, the hiring manager will have a chance to review the default value and edit it as needed before sending it out to an applicant. You can set a default salary here and a default start date, such as next Monday. Lastly, by default, all our documents will be sent out to the applicant for signature, but you can also choose to have someone from the company co-sign the document as well. Secondly, you'll also be able to upload a file, and this is a new feature that will make it much easier for you to upload your existing documents for signature. For example, I can choose from my desktop a PDF or any other format of files, such as a sample employee handbook. Again, I can choose whether this should be signed by the applicant or by the company. And lastly, simply click Prepare Document, and we'll take you through a drag and drop interface where you can easily tag up the document with fields that the applicant needs to fill out. For example, over here, if we want the applicant to put in their signature, we simply click on the signature field here, click here, and create a signature field for the applicant to sign. And you can also create text boxes for the applicant to fill out some information. For example, over here, we can choose to have the applicant fill this out, and it will be a text box, and you can drag the length to be slightly longer. You can also automatically put in the signature date as well. Hypothetically, let's say we want the company to sign this part of the document. You can simply drag the signature field here and choose to have the company representative sign this instead. Lastly, I want to show you that you're also able to use some of the merge tags here for the system to automatically populate. For example, I can choose, instead of having the applicant print their name, simply use the applicant full name, which is a Workstream merge tag, so Workstream can populate the applicant's full name automatically here. Click Continue, and click Save, and your document is uploaded and prepared. Similarly, you can create multiple files to be uploaded as well. And lastly, you can use the standardized form to select from any one of our government templates, government documents, as well as standard templates to be used in here as well. Also new in this new version of online signing is you can drag and drop to reorder any of the documents or adding more than one document to a stage. You can choose who this company signer should be, as well as the signing sequence, whether the signature should be sent out to the applicant and the company representative at the same time, or at a different time. So it will send out to the applicant to be completed and then the company. And lastly, you can manage the merge tags here. Here you can see that this package of documents will be sent to both the applicant and the company for signature. You can always customize the invitation letter as with any other stage in Workstream, as well as manage the automation. So for example, if an applicant is moved to this stage, we can automatically send out the signature request to the applicant. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at help@workstream.is. Thank you.